Susie's Secret Recipes. My name is Susie Hyde, and I grew up on a farm in Washington, Oklahoma. My parents taught us kids, number one, to keep Jesus in our heart. Number two, just to keep things country simple and enjoy the simple things in life. And so I've had a wonderful childhood, and I brought everything that I've learned from home and brought it into my household. And so I hope that you enjoy my channel, and I look forward to sharing with you some of the things that I enjoy. And so sit back and let's keep it country simple.
Canning and harvesting vegetables. We do a lot of pickling and fermenting and putting stuff up in the freezer. And so I have 31 products on my canning line that I use all of the stuff that I can get out of my garden. And so very blessed and very thankful for all the produce that we do get. Here I am making some green tomato relish, and that is a relish that is requested quite a lot from a lot of different people. And so I'm constantly making that, and I do can all year long, but summer is definitely my peak season for canning. And so I've been putting up tomato juice for myself. I don't sell that, so I'm going back and forth. A lot of the products that I make are for sale, and a lot of it that I make is also for my family. And so that's why I end up canning a lot. And so I've got a long ways to go, but I will be glad when all of it is done and finished. Green tomatoes, I do pick some. Of course, I do like the green tomato relish, but I like to fry them. I love fried green tomatoes. Another thing that I have a lot of requests for would be goat soap. And so I make a lot of different kinds of goat soap, as far as like the color and the scent, and end up selling quite a bit of it. Believe it or not, I have a lot of men that like goat soap too. My husband will not use anything else but goat soap. It lathers really good, and you just feel really clean afterwards. So I do sell a lot of it. So this week I have been making goat soap, and also my body scrubs. I'm using sandalwood on this one. It smells a little masculine, so this one is going to be for men. The color is just a neutral color. They don't really care about what color it is, as long as it cleans really good. And so I try to just use neutral colors for the men's soap. Polluses outgrew the peonies behind them, which is something that usually they get about the same height, but they have done really well this year. They're beautiful. I love plants, as you can see.
enjoyed the video today, then please give me a thumbs up and put it in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do so by clicking the subscribe button below and the notification bell, and it will notify you when I'm going to be having another video. My mama and I will be doing some more canning this week and some more crafts, and so I'll be filming that. Otherwise, guys, I will see you next Wednesday at 8:08 p.m. for another episode of Susie's Secret Recipes. So may God bless you, and happy trails.